Good morning, students. Welcome to St. Thomas School. Today we are going to learn Standard 4 English Grammar. Lesson number 19, Sentences. Okay, let's start. We have to add a helping verb to many affirmative sentences to change them into negative sentences. So what we have to do? We have to use helping verb. Which are that? Do, does, did. When there is a I, we, you, they, we have to use do, helping verb. And when there is a he, she, it and singular noun, we have to use does helping verb. But when the sentence is from past tense, we have to use did helping verb. Let's see, we have one example. Suman completed her work fast. Completed means it is a past tense sentence. So what we have to use? We have to use helping verb did. Suman did not complete her work. So whenever we use did, we have to put a root form of verb, action verb. Did is a helping verb and complete is a action verb. So we have to use a root form of verb. Shuman did not complete. Completed convert into complete. Shuman did not complete her work fast. When the verb is made up of more than one word, we put not after the first verb in a negative sentence. So you can see as well. Sahil will go to the market today. So we have two verbs here. Will and go. Will is a helping verb and go is a action verb. So what we have to do? Sahil will. We have to put not after the first verb. So will is a first verb. So Sahil will not go to the market today. Okay. Now let's see the exercise. E. Change the following affirmative sentences into negative sentences. First one. Mahesh is angry with Manju. So, how we change it into negative? Mahesh is not angry with Manju. It is very simple. Second one. I came in through the window. So, I came. It is the second form of verb. So, it is the past tense sentence. I came in through the window. So, what we have to do? We have to use did here because it is the past tense sentence. I did not, can become come, C-O-M-E, come. I did not come in through the window. Third one. Kanika works for a local newspaper. So Kanika is a singular word. So which helping verb we have to use? Does. We learned that whenever there I, we, you and they, we use do. And when he, she, it and singular noun, we use does. So Kanika does not, works become work because we use does here. Kanika does not work for a local newspaper. Fourth one. Adil will be back tomorrow. It is very simple, students. Adil will not be back tomorrow. We have two verbs here, helping verb and action verb. So we have to put not after first verb. Adil will not be back tomorrow. Fifth one. Deepak donated some money to the flood victims relief fund. So Deepak donated. Donated means it's a completed action. So it is a past tense sentence. So what we have to do? We have to put did helping verb here. Deepak did not, donated become donate, root form of verb. Deepak did not donate money to the flood victims relief fund. Now the next exercise. Rewrite the following sentences in their affirmative forms. So we have negative sentence here. So we have to convert it into affirmative sentence, positive sentence. First one. The workmen did not cover up the manhole. So what we have to do here? The workman covered up the manhole. If we say that the workman did cover up the manhole, it is a wrong sentence. When we use did, when the sentence from past tense. Okay. So the workman covered up the manhole. Okay. It won't rain today. It will not rain today. That means. So what is the affirmative sentence of it? It will rain today. She doesn't eat meat. So she does eat meat? No. She eats meat. Fourth one. My brother and I don't agree on many things. My brother and I do not agree on many things. So what is the affirmative sentence of this? My brother and I agree on many things. Fifth one. They shouldn't have waited for us. They should not have waited for us. So we have to remove not from this sentence. It is very easy. They should have waited for us. Okay. So complete these two exercise in your homework. Okay students, thank you.